on the, what, the 2nd December now, aren't we?
2nd December, yep.
So you're saying you're a bit late?
Yeah, about a month late on this. It was a perfect weekend, but it was all nice and dry and sunny. But yeah, you always think you're going to go sailing, never get round to it.
So we've got a little trip up the through the
straight up,
mud banks.
Yes, it's straight all the way to Ray Channel. It's the 3rd channel into Mersea, and we're going to go straight down. And right at the end of that is Mum and Dad's shell bungalow, and that's where we'll spend the winter. You can just about sail it if the wind direction's right. It's a bit tight to sail, but it's all right on the boat.
Is it just a thing you learn over the years?
Yeah. So yeah, I was thinking about that last night actually. Yeah, I've been doing it since that's one of my earliest memories. I've been 5 years old and coming up and down with Dad and his friends. It's pretty special. We've just left the mooring up in Thorfleet, and now we're coming down Ray Channel, Strew Channel, just the other side, which is the causeway across to the island, and right down the end of this creek here is Peldon, which is where Mum and Dad is, and it was our winter berth. So we'll stay for them, sit in the mud for the winter.
So you're saying it sits in the mud in the winter because you don't take it out of the water, is that right?
Because it's an old boat and the wood, it shrinks and when it gets dry and it swells again when it gets wet, and that's just too much action for an old boat. It stresses all the joints and the fastenings as well, so best to leave them damp and tight. This is Ray Island, nature reserve, and well, it's nice in the winter, but it's a great spot in the summer. We've got a little bit of a sandy beach, which we don't get a lot of in Essex, up the creeks, westerly aspect, so you get the setting sun, and it's just quite a special place to come with the families and swim and play. Dad was and still is shipwright, and he had a hand in rebuilding a lot of the smacks that are around in Mersea, and particularly this one. He's done an awful lot of work here. The boat was 1909. She was built for Stanley French, who was my godfather's great uncle, and sailed by my great grandfather for him, and then came back with my godfather Hugh French, and Dad has been the mate on that. The decks, the beams, both cabins, the spars, a lot of the planks on the port side, probably 3/4 on the starboard side, are new, but being replaced in situ, it's still the same boat. So it's not actually that difficult. There is only one. Once you've taken the left-hand fork to Ray, there is only one channel up. So
what about the depth?
The outside the bend, the water goes fastest, and that's where the deepest water is. There's a. It's only that, but there's a definite channel that follows and it's only mud, so it moves quite, it erodes quite quickly.
So when you get stuck, you know you've gone wrong there.
Yeah, which could well happen in a minute. I'm not sure we're deep enough to get up there yet, but we've got plenty of time.
Got no depth for me, so running at the moment.
So we draw about 4'6", and what we now about 40 minutes before high tide, I guess. We might get there. We're lucky, but it's nothing bad. It's very soft mud, so we'll just wait till we get a bit more water.
You got some winter jobs you know you have to do?
Yeah, diesel. There's a diesel leak. There's a split in the diesel pipe, which is so new fuel line, and the bowsprit looks pretty rough. So I will try and clean that off and give it a coat of varnish. But not too bad, at this point not too bad.
So does your dad live down here?
Yes, yeah, they live there. Used to be a shell crushing factory to make chicken grit, and it went out of business I think between the First and Second World Wars. And where the bungalow is was the landing stage. So they just put walls and a roof on it, and that was it. And we're going to come down and try and rough into wind, so we just lay head to wind on the buoy when we pick it up, and then we're relaxed.
Ah, where's the rope? His tail. That one.
Ah, someone's been shooting that with an air gun by the look of it, Daniel.
That wasn't me. That generally wasn't me.
There's that blue line there, Daniel.
Yep, one sec. I'm ready. Right. Righty.
Right, looking relaxed.
So that all went quite smoothly?
Yeah. So now we're just going to back her into the berth, which is over there. Pick some lines up, and we're done. Right.
Oh. Ain't it?
Yeah. Dan? Yeah, just keep going. We've got to go right back into the hole here.
Is that enough?
Yeah, hang on.
I'll wait around here.
Yeah, take it under the boat. Or you can just put it in for a minute. Yeah, so, I mean, half done, half parked up. I'll check all the mooring lines, put them down onto the anchor chains instead of on the rope, and then basically strip all the rigging off down to the mast and the standing rigging, and give her a good clean up for the winter. That'll be that.